Hey guys, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I want to show you how to set up these smart switches. It's the Teckin. Very cheap, about $10 per. Got them on Amazon. One of the easiest smart switches I've ever installed.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
So what I'm doing here is I'm setting up for these different battery chargers. I also set it up for different lights, like LED lights throughout the house. But these basically are constantly sucking power, and in the app it'll actually show you how much power it's sucking, and we can come up with a math on how much that's costing me a year. But let me just show you how this works first. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in this three-way splitter here, and then what I'm going to do is plug in my different devices. Okay. I'm going to plug it in. So now I have to connect it to my wireless. So one of the simplest switches I've ever done. Set up on my iPhone. I've set up an app called Smart Life. And first you can drop it out by house. So if you have like a work or home location, so I'm going to do my home location. Hit the plus sign. Hit electrical outlet. Hit next. Then it says the Wi-Fi password, hit OK on that. And then that's about it. It already found the device. It's going to register it. You're going to hear it click on, click off, which I just did. And basically a couple seconds later, we have it in the system. Now what that does is allows me to do scheduling. So, and I can see here it connected to Alexa. So if you have Alexa, you can control the light instantly now. Alexa, no extra work needed. I'm just going to rename it to something that I know what it is. So we're going to call this battery charger. Battery in laundry. Okay. Great. So now if I hit this power button off, that clicks it off. You hear the click. Now it's not charging it. And then if I hit it again on, it turns that on. A couple of things I can do is schedule it. So I can add a schedule, and this is what I plan on doing to turn on. And you can do, just the work week. So if it was a light, I'll do, the work week turn on. And then I'll do another schedule to turn it off. So it's only charging for maybe, 4 hours a day rather than constantly sucking power. Let me just turn this to off. Every day off. So it's going to turn on, stay on for about 4 hours. That'll charge up the batteries. So here's some other neat stuff. You hit statistics, and it'll show you the current power wattage that it's using. So right now it's using 2 watts. I've seen this particular outlet jump up to about 25, 30 watts. So it goes up and down. But at least once this is off, that'll save me that wattage. Let's go to a couple other ones in the house, as you can see. So like my LEDs, look at that, it's taking 23 watts right now. And then I can just hit that off if I want to. But these are all on schedules, and you can put it together and have one button that turns all your lights on or all your lights off. And again, it works great with Alexa. So let me show you Alexa and how I set it up with Alexa. Alexa, turn accent lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn accent lights on.
Okay.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, you leave me a comment. I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.